Welcome to ASK Tutorials. This is a C programming series and we are learning decision making in a C. In this video we are going to learn about the if-else statement in a C. If you are not seen our previous videos, then watch it. Link is given into the description box. Now let's get started with the video. An if statement can be followed by an optional else statement which executes when the boolean expression is a false. By seeing a syntax of else statement, we come to know what is a if-else statement. In a syntax, we are seeing if condition, statement 1, else, statement 2. Here we are seeing two statements. If the condition is a true, then the statement 1 will be executed. If condition will be false, then the statement 2 will be executed. Statement 2 comes under the else part of the program. If else condition is having two blocks, that is a statement 1 and a statement 2 blocks. If condition will be true, then statement 1 will be executed. If condition will false, then statement 2 will be executed. The description is telling us that in this type of a statement, group of statements are executed when the condition is a true. If condition is a false, then else part statements are executed. This is a flow chart which is telling us that if the condition is a true, then the if code is going to be executed, and if the condition is a false, it will go to the else code, which is a statement 2 part, means block 2 part will be executed of a program. Now we will see program for if-else statement. First we declared the preprocessor command, then we declared a main function. Inside a main function we declared the integer variable a is equal to 100. Then we declared a condition, that is if a is less than 20. If our condition will be true, then the first statement we have to write, that is in a printf statement we have to write that a is less than 20, which is our statement 1 part of a program. And now we have to write a else part. In a else part we are going to writing as a is not less than 20. Here in a program we are seeing that we declared a as 100 and a condition is given as if a is less than 20. Then we have to print result as if a is less than 20, then we should have to print a is less than 20, which is a first statement block. And else part, then else part should have to come. In else part we are written a is not less than 20. Now we will trace the program. Condition is a is less than 20, which is not true, means it's a false, because we declared a as 100 and 100 is not less than 20. So here we got condition as a false, so it will go to the else part of a program. In else part we are written as a is not less than 20. So we will get output as a is not less than 20. Here we got output as a is not less than 20. This is how the if-else statement works in a C programming. Let's see one more example for this statement. First we declared a preprocessor command, then we declared a main function. Inside, then we opened a curly braces. Then we declared a integer variable a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 40. Then here we are giving a condition, that is if a equal to b. If a is equal to b, then we have to print a result as a is equal to a and b are equal. if condition we are written, after that we open the curly braces for a first statement block, that is a and b are equal, which comes when the condition will be true. That time we will get output as a and b are equal. If the condition will false, then we should have to get the second statement block, which comes under the else part of a program. Here we are written else, then open a curly bracket. Inside else curly bracket we are written a printf statement, that is a and b are not equal, which is a second statement block of our program. Here we will trace now a program, that is a is equal to b or not. We declared a as a 20 and b is a 40, so a is not equal to b. Our condition is a false here, so it will go directly to the else part of a program. Condition is a false, so it will not go to the first statement block of a program. It will come outside of the first block, then it will go to the else part of a program, and we will get result as a and b are not equal. So output will be get as a and b are not equal. This is how the if else statement works. Thank you for watching the video. In the next video we are going to learn about the nested if statements.